Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to show you how to list an unlisted item on Offerup. So if you're looking how to list an unlisted on Offerup, then this video is for you. First, what you want to do is open up your Offerup tab, and this is what your homepage is going to look like. On the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click on My Listings. And so this is where all your currently active listings are. On the upper hand side of the screen, you can click that toggle where it says For Sale, and then you can click on Archived and then click on Apply. This is where you're going to see all your archived listings. Okay, so all of these are no longer on Offerup. So in order to list an unlisted item, you just simply have to unarchive it. And then the listing is going to show back on Offerup. So that's how you relist an unlisted item. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below. But this is the best way I found in order to list an unlisted item on Offerup. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.